Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for Amazon Flex delivery job in Canada step by step. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser in your mobile device or your desktop. Inside the browser, in the search bar, search for Amazon Flex Delivery Canada Apply. Once done, tap on search, and then you want to go ahead and simply tap on the first link that says flex.amazon.ca. Tap onto it, and here you'll find more details about the job. It explains how you reserve a delivery block, make your deliveries, and then get paid once you finish your route. The process is pretty simple. So when you're ready to apply, go ahead and simply tap on download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. And then go ahead and simply tap on get to install it in your mobile device. Once you download the app, open it, tap on sign up, and you'll need to create a Amazon account if you don't already have one, and then follow the instruction inside the app. It will ask for your basic info, your driver license, and a few details about your vehicle. Amazon will ask for your background check before you can start delivering. Just follow these steps carefully and the app will guide you through everything. Once you are approved, you'll start getting deliveries offers called blocks. You can choose a time that fits your schedule, pick up package from the warehouse, and deliver them around the city. Payments are sent automatically through the app, usually every few days. That's it. That is how you can apply for Amazon Flex delivery job in Canada. It's flexible, easy to set up, and great if you're looking for extra income. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.